Welcome to Veeqo, Amazon's free shipping software that lets you earn up to 5% back on all eligible shipments. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to connect your sales channels seamlessly, without any disruption to your current workflow. Once you connect your Amazon store to Veeqo, you'll get full visibility of shipping rates across all carriers to compare and choose the best option. Let's get started. 1. Click the settings icon on the left side of your Veeqo dashboard. 2. Select Marketplace and e-commerce integrations. 3. Click New Store at the top of the dashboard. 4. Choose Amazon as your store type and click Continue. 5. Enter your Amazon store name and click Save and Continue. 6. Select your geographical region and click Save and Continue. 7. Choose your default dispatch location and click Save and Continue. 8. For first-time users, check the Veeqo Buy Shipping authorization box and click Connect Now. 9. Log into your Amazon account to complete authorization. That's it! Your store is now connected. Need additional help? Visit Veeqo.com, select Book a Demo from the menu. Our support team will guide you step-by-step on a video call. Connect all your channels to Veeqo to start shipping smarter and saving more with Veeqo.